Welcome to Web Courses at UCF. In this video, you will learn how to use the whiteboard in Zoom. The whiteboard is a useful tool that allows you and other participants to add annotations and visual demonstrations to meetings and lectures. To begin, launch your meeting in Zoom. Click the Share Screen icon in the meeting window. Select Whiteboard. Then, click the Share button. The window will become blank and a toolbar will appear. With screen sharing enabled, all other participants should see this as well. Click on Draw in the toolbar. The Draw tool allows you to freehand or click and drag to create shapes like arrows, rectangles, and ellipses. Let's select the freehand tool. You can draw or write directly onto the whiteboard using your mouse, or, for more accuracy and cleaner strokes, you can use a stylus pen or tablet. Alternatively, you can type using the text tool. The Select tool allows you to move and scale elements of your whiteboard. Additionally, you can use the Format tool to change other attributes such as color, line width, and font. The Stamp tool gives you the ability to quickly paste shapes and symbols into the whiteboard. The Spotlight tool is very useful for directing viewers' attentions to certain elements on the screen. If you make a mistake, you can undo or redo at any time. Or, simply use the Eraser tool to remove elements. If you wish to erase everything off the whiteboard, select the Clear tool. If you wish to keep an image of your whiteboard, select the Save tool. You should find a folder labeled Zoom within your files that stores all of your saved images. Thanks for watching. For additional information on this or any other topic on web courses at UCF, please visit our website at cdl.ucf.edu/support.